Question 11 says the bag contains 12 balls. There are X black balls in the bag and other balls are white. 2 balls are taken at random from the bag without replacement. Complete the tree diagram. So for the first ball, if we're taking a ball from the bag without replacement, right, it would just be 12 minus x over 11. The reason why it's becoming 12 minus x over 11 is because your number of white balls isn't changing, which is 12 minus x. However, your total number of balls are changing because we have taken one black ball from the total number of balls. So that's why this is this. And then if we're taking a white ball first, your black balls are going to be x over 11 over here. Why? Because once again, the number of black balls aren't changing if we took a white ball first, but the total number of balls are changing because there's one less white ball. And for the white now, we would do 12 minus x minus 1, which is 11 minus x over 11. So now in the next part, they're saying find an expression for the probability of taking one ball of each color. So one ball of each color would be this and this direction, or this. So it's going to be x over 12 times 12 minus x over 11 plus 12 minus x over 12 times x over 11. So that's going to be 12x minus x squared over 132 plus 12x minus x squared over 132. So that's going to be 24x minus 2x squared over 132, which can be simplified to 12x minus x squared over 66. Then it says the probability that both balls are black is 14 over 33. Form an equation in x and solve it to find the number of black balls in the bag. Show your working. So if we go back to the tree diagram, just going to erase all of this. So the probability for both black balls is x over 12 times x minus 1 over 11. X over 12 times x minus 1 over 11. So that's going to equal to 14 over 33 times x squared minus x over 132. First multiply 14 times 132 over 33. 132 is 12 times 11, so 12 over here and 3 over here. 3, 1, and that is 4. So 14 times 4 is going to be 56. So our equation is x squared minus x minus 56 equal to 0. So 56 has the factors of 7 times 8. So x squared minus 8x plus 7x minus 56 equal to 0. Factorize the equation by grouping. So x times x minus 8 plus 7 times x minus 8. So x minus 8 times x plus 7. X equals to 8 and x equals to negative 7. Since x cannot be a negative number, x equals to 8 is our answer.